Many buyers and sellers alike rely on their real estate agents or brokers to protect them in the real estate transactions. That means that they come to me after they have signed a contract, and by that time it's too late to change anything. I can review it, but I can't change anything. By hiring a real estate lawyer, we're well versed in not only the law, but we know what particular terms in the contract protect the buyer when the buyer's our client and protect the seller when the seller's our client. An example is maintenance fees, a condominium. If you don't check a certain box, then the buyer is responsible for that maintenance, and the seller and the buyer don't know that unless the realtor or the attorney tells them. So always best to consult with a real estate lawyer to protect you. We're the best to tell you the contract terms and the law in Florida.